Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Wiweyimi. In this tech episode, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Snapchat password with forgotten password. Maybe you want to log into your Snapchat account and it has been a while that you have used your password, or you don't even save it to your Google account, and this may be the reason why you have forgotten your password, or you don't even write it somewhere. So this video I've covered everything you need to know on how you can forgot your password on your Snapchat. So let's go to our Snapchat. You can see now, just follow the method that I'm going to use here and apply it to your own video, and you can see now. Then you are going to click on your profile here. You can see you are going to click on your profile. You can see now, after you click on your profile here, then you can see this my profile. You are going to click the settings here. You can see settings. Yeah, you are going to click on password. You can see this your password here. Then you are going to click on that, and you can see to set a new password, please enter your current password, because you don't know your current password, don't even know it at all. And what you just need to do now is to click on forgot your password. You can see, then you can see here, please choose how you want to reset your password. You can reset it to two methods, via phone and via email. You can see, then I'm going to can select any of them. So I'm going ahead to reset my Snapchat password with my Gmail account. Just use the method that I'm going to show you in this video and use it for your own too, and make sure that you watch this video to the end. If you're watching me for the first time, I used to drop a new video every day, and make sure you subscribe to stay updated about my latest video on tech. You can see reset password. If you do not know your current password, you can change it. You can see now, then I do not know my password, I want to change it. Just going to click on my you can see now my email, and I'm going to submit it. This is how you are going to do your own. You can see protect your account, start puzzle. Can see use the arrow to rotate the object to face in the direction of hand. This is very simple. I'm just going to do it, and this is how exactly you are just going to do it when you are setting your Snapchat password. Can see now, this is the share. Use the arrow to rotate it to face the direction of the hand. So this is the direction of the hand. Okay, this is the direction of the hand, and you are going to, once you verify that the hand and the share and the second object have been aligned to each other, you are just going to click on submit. You can see out of 5, 1 done. You can see the verification complete. You can now see that check your inbox. We have sent you a verification email. Open it and tap the change password link to continue. Then they have sent us a verification email, so we are just going to open our email inbox. So to click on that link, and I'm just going to swipe this up and go to my Gmail now. You can see it's just the method to change it through your email. So I'm still thinking maybe if I'm going to post a video of how you can change this through your number. can see this is the link. You're just going to click on this link. You can see now. Then you can see, then you are just going to change the password to any one you like here, to the one that you want to change this to. Then I'm just going to change it here. Cancel password. So for you to know the one that you can see, this is my password. Once you have seen your password and you have corrected it, and you can see that this is the one that you want to use, you are just going to save it. Then you can see password change, continue. Then yeah, just going to ask you update. Just going to ask you to next. Log into Snapchat. Can see now. Then this is how you can change your password through your email. By this, you can change your Snapchat password with just your Gmail account. So the next video I can even post about how you can change it through your phone number. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channels to stay updated about the latest video. I used to post a video every day, a new video every day, so you won't want to miss out. So just make sure that you subscribe. I'm going to see my next video. You can even watch my others video about Snapchat, maybe how to change your username on Snapchat. So the end screen is popping out now. Click on that. I'm going to see my next video. Peace.